Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create this body. It has 4 section profiles and we will revolve in a time in a 3D sketch. Okay, let's get started. First create a 3D sketch, then normal to the top plane. Draw a circle. And set the diameter to 300. And then make it to construction geometry. Then normal to front plane. Then draw 2 circles. And make the center to be coincide with the circle. And same for another circle. Then set the diameter to 50 and this one to 25. Then make the circle on the front plane. Here we cannot use polygon in the 3D sketch, so next I will show you how to make a polygon. So I will go to Tools, Sketch Tools, go to Segment, and select the circle and set File Segments. Next we will draw lines to create the polygon. Next set the circle to be construction geometry. And make the bottom line to be aligned with the x-axis. Then normal to the right plane. Draw a rectangle. And another on the other side. And make this line to be aligned with the y-axis. Next, make the center to be coincide with the circle. Then make this line along with the y-axis. Next, we will make these two lines to be equal, and same for another rectangle. Then set the length to 50, and this length to 25. Next, we will make these two rectangles on the right plane. Before finishing this sketch, we create a 3D plane and select a reference. In the futures, we cannot use Revolve in a 3D sketch, so we end this sketch. Then create a axis and select the front plane and the right plane. We need to go to show this axis. Next, we will go Revolve. And here, if we select a sketch or contour, it doesn't work. Or if you select a plane, it will create a new sketch. So this did not work too. Okay, let's go Revolve again. This time we select a 3D plane. Then select the axis and set the angle to 90. Okay, that's it. Now we have 4 bodies. If you need, you can go direct editing, select combine, and box select all the bodies. Okay, that's it. Thank you for your watching. See you next time.